Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and it's 1st of February 2026. Happy new month to everyone. We'd like to thank all our subscribers and viewers globally. We've been doing this for more than 15 years, as stated in our last video, and we know some traders that have been with us from the onset. You can check the old videos. We started this first. Check the old videos. And we'd like to thank you guys. We appreciate everyone. We have so many channels. I'm sure some of us came from our old channels, and we have new subscribers and viewers as well. We thank you all for your continued support, and we'll be doing this for free. We never ask for $1. We never ask for a dime from no one, and this is a passion for us. So, and we'd like to thank you guys. Today we're going to be trading the Volatility 31S. We're going to be dropping 6 accumulator strategies today across all the 6 channels. We've been winning with accumulator. In the past few months, we've been making 1,500 minimum consistently every week trading accumulator. So you need to lock in here, and if you follow all the steps, you're going to be winning like us as well. So this is our second one for today, February 1st. Make sure you subscribe to all the channels. And here is for V31X. So we'll be trading Volatility 31S right here. And once you log into your trading account, go to Volatility 31S. We're using the MACD as well. Volatility 31S. We're in dark mode. You can change to dark mode. Indicator, you go to momentum, click on MACD. You're going to see it right here. We're going to be working with this number. Go to accumulator, click on it. That's the trade type. Growth 4%. I'm going to be staking 21. It depends on the amount you have in your account. You can stake 5, you can stake $1, you can stake 30, 100. You're going to set the take profit to 5 USD. 5 USD. We're going to be buying when this is between 20 to 26. You can see it's currently at 80, so you have to be patient. It has to be between 20 to 26. You can see the statistics right here. We're working with this one. It has to be between 20 to 26, so you have to be patient. So it's going to rebound. Just hold on. You can see it's still going on and on and on. It has to be between 20 to 26. It's 1 right now. It's going back up. 2. You can see you have to be ready. So you can see that's 22, between 20 to 26, remember that. So you can see we won that trade right there. So we're going to trade again. We're going to place one more trade because we have so many strategies to drop today. And I want to see you guys' testimony. I want you to tell me that you're making a lot of money once you watch all these strategies will be dropping today, February, as the first week of February 2026. And it will all be accumulators. So you can see we're 52 right there, so you have to wait. It's going to rebound. It's back to 0, so you have to be ready. Make sure it's between 20 to 26. So it has rebounded again. You can see how it was. The moment it rebounds, you're going to lose your money. So you have to wait. You have to be patient. Rebounded again. So it could be 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 20, but not exceeding 26. That's 20. 21. Let's go right there. So you can see we won that trade, and that's going to be our last trade for this section because we're going to drop another strategy, and it's still going to be accumulator. So make sure you're logged in. Make sure you subscribe to the channels. So for those who haven't purchased our bots, the Toskepa bot right there is still effective, and it works on Deriv. You can use it to trade your synthetic indices. It's 9.99 USD. The Pip Stripper bot, It's 7.99 USD. They're both working and they work on Deriv. You can use them to trade your synthetic indices. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels. When you order any of our bots, you get free gifts. You also get the indicator. That's remind us. For those who haven't gotten the buy sell indicator, we're still giving it away for free. The indicator works on Deriv MT5, and you can use it to trade your static indices, your Forex pairs, your Euro USD, USD. You can see the indicator right there on V10, V75, V25, Euro USD. It's not currently on Euro USD because I'm using a Pips Rabbit. I also use the indicator on Euro USD and some other Forex pairs as well. So it shows you when to buy and when to sell. You can see there's a buy signal. Buy went all the way up. Sell signal right there, sold all the way down. So that's how this indicator works. We're giving it away for free for those who don't have a trading account yet. But if you have a trading account, you have to order it for $12. So here are the infos you need right here. For those who don't have a trading account, here is a link to sign up for a free trading account to test our strategies on demo. And here are the links to subscribe to the channels as the first channel, and that's the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels. So for the indicator, once you sign up for a free trading account using the link above, send an email to this email address with the subject free indicator with the last 3 digits of your account. Once you verify your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. And if you already have a trading account, here is the link to order the indicator for $12. For the Pip Stripper bot, here is the link to order it. And for the Top Scalper bot, here is the link to order it. All these infos will be pasted in the video description on YouTube. So here is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have one. And here are the links to subscribe to our channels. There's the first channel, there's the second channel, and there's the third channel. Subscribe to all the channels. So there are other infos there. You can check the video description on YouTube. I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.